JAPI Orchids Garden USA here. Sorry, I have cold, but this is one of my most amazing orchid. This is called Phalaenopsis Orchid, and look at how beautiful the bloom is. It is getting ready to fall out, so that's why I need to make a video. There were 4 flowers, but they started falling out. See right here. And so I thought maybe, okay, there's one last one, because I will probably won't see it bloom again until probably 2 years or so. I don't think it's gonna bloom again this year. But anyway, I just want to show it to you how beautiful this plant is. And I thought this was dying, and I want to show you why. I don't know, maybe I'm losing this plant, maybe not, I'm not sure. But it started rotting, so I cut the leaf and put cinnamon in there, and I hope that it will put out a new leaf. I haven't repot yet, and I need to do it. I need to repot it as soon as possible. As soon as the other flowers start falling off, then I will go ahead and repot this one. Look at that one right there. I haven't seen any new growth, new leaf in there. So, but anyway, I just want to show it to you. And the leaf is actually pretty healthy looking. See, that's the leaf. And I can't wait until this one fall off now, because I need to fix it and repot it. And I just want to show it to you. Thank you so much, and I hope you like the video.